Well, we're all back once again. It's a start to a new week. It's a Monday afternoon over here in Helsinki, Finland. A very sunny, bright and sunny outside right now. And as we've been looking at for the past week and a half, we're just seeing follow through from what we've been talking about, you know, from the week prior. And there she is, that beautiful, powerful woman, just shoving her head right up and onwards. And you do see that Bitcoin did close a little bit of a little bit of a long wick to the upside yesterday. But we spoke about this during the video, during this morning's video, that this is likely a fake out. And we're likely to go still up actually here. So here's the thing: is that all the higher time frames do look good to me for some continuation, and that is why I'm actually quite comfortable with saying that. I do believe that we see the good old, the big number, that 10,000, that psychological 10,000, relatively soon. Fucking memeers out there who are saying, we have a gap now, so short it right now, we're going to 8,500 right fucking now, you're gonna get rich! Hey, what's up, boss? How you doing, man? Bat BTC, please. Daily trendline and moving average. We're talking about Bitcoin, man. Yeah, we can look at bad. Bitcoin dominance chart. That thing is bullish as fuck. Load up those tweet cannons, baby. Let's light this bitch up for BNB CZ coin. Eklund, we need some quote stats. No more. Everyone else is still trying to fit the fucking MVT signal onto this price action. Hey, maybe it ain't fucking working. Yo, hey, and there we go. Nice, powerful, girthy dildo. 94.39. Mom, look, the fundamentals. Holy moly. Are you kidding me? Just straight down for 2 years? 2 years of straight down? Do it right fucking now. Create a trading journal. Write down exactly what you're looking for to calculate an entry. Nano making new lows? What's going on, Mom? You told me this one had good volume. Oh my god, it's doing its greatest disappearing act ever. It's a phantom of a fucking coin. Jesus Christ.
Happy Tuesday, everyone, and welcome back to Elsa's, Krown's.
What the fuck was that?
Crypto Cave.
It's not good, man. It's really not good. This whole idea with the naked shorting from the people who are talking about CMEs, like the CMEs going live, and that's why Bitcoin goes down. No, fucking wrong. Getting mad right now, man. You can see that you've hit a little bit of a pain point. Maybe it's my own inefficiencies as a human showing themselves up right now. But my point is that all the fucking just straight up fucking moronic people like Superman perpetuating this myth that CME futures have forced the price down. It's no, yelling in your ears, like the video, smash the subscribes, smash the bell, smash your face, and go smash your face up. I think we might be looking at a shitcoin right now. And now back to our paid programming. I would say that this is a pretty good reaction, and this probably does get reaccumulated and fill out this area a little bit more. I think that Bitcoin's resilient in this area. I think that Bitcoin, the trend is your friend until the end of the trend, and the trend is still fucking bullish.
Happy Wednesday, everyone, and welcome back.
It's Thursday.
No, it's Wednesday. Shut it. It's Wednesday, and welcome back to Elsa's Secret TA. Nope.
Hey,
Krown's. Krown's Crypto Cave.
Get off there. Stop fucking around. This is a serious channel. Hey, you know what, man? I actually don't even have a comb. I literally don't even have a fucking comb, man. The volume. Remind myself what the chart looks like, and it looks like a whole bunch of fuck. No healthy asset does anything like that ever. Wow, Bitcoin massive. Jesus, powerful Bitcoin right there. Again, this trend line still holding true. I can't stress that enough. Can't stress that one enough. It works until it doesn't work, and this one's still working here. Krown, can you please look at birds, Bitcoin, sir? When target? Rejection. Wow, rejection right at our target. Holy fuck. That tentacle analysis, voodoo magic, sometimes it actually works. Who cares about Nano? I care about Nano. Mom, they don't care about Nano on the internet. You better tell those internet bullies to back off. Now. And the trend line, once again, the savior of Bitcoin, the savior trend line of Bitcoin. For right now, I do still identify this as an ascending triangle, which would imply a more bullish nature to it. And we do have measure moves pointing us up much further towards about 50, not 57, but 9,700 to about 10,000. So anywhere around that region right over there. But I need to see a 2-hour or 4-hour dildo closing above 93.50 pivot. If we do break this trend line to the downside, right around 89.30 to 89.50, then I would be looking for a move down to about 85.50 down around here. So if you're calling bearish divergence on this, you're the same person who's calling fucking bearish divergence right here, right here, right here, right here, right here, right here. That's 6 days of getting green dildos shoved up your bunghole. And how do you feel now? Oh, tell me more on crypto Twitter about this bearish divergence, bitch. Because overall, this thing looks a lot more bullish than it does not. So if Bitcoin does want to rip above 10,000, it certainly can. In fact, between about 10,000 and 11,500, there is nothing doing. Bitcoin rallying up right now, 93.60. Can we see that 93? Can we see that 93.75 tick or not? Come on, baby. Show me how powerful these girthy green dildos can get. We are at 93.62 and a half high so far. Come on, Bitcoin. Come on, fucking do it, baby. Come on, Bitcoin, you pussy. What are you afraid of? Stop teasing me, Bitcoin, you dirty bitch. Could you take a look at ISIS BTC? Uh-oh, the trend is going to explode. How dare you? Am I getting trolled? I've been trolled. I've been trolled. Fuck. Elias says, Krown, please check out LGBT. Oh, motherfucker. Fucking trolled, man. Anonymous, stop trolling me. And Bitcoin looks like we do have new highs. Do we have new highs? 74 and a half. Yes, we do. So we are breaking structure on the 8-hour. Can we actually confirm above this area now? That's the last of the Mohicans for me. And then I'd be looking for this baby to do a little bit of a pumpy pump. And instead, talking about Bitcoin hitting up this 93.80-ish level, new highs on the day. And LZD BTC. Oh, you motherfucker! How did I fall for that one? Jesus Christ. I do lean to the upside here, and technically speaking, if we do break this trend line here, I'd be looking for a move to about 8,500. But for right now, Bitcoin really hinting at a breakout to the upside, looking damn strong. We got 4-hour Stokes extremely erect, getting very much up there and still room to go. And Bitcoin about to make a new high for the day. Not only that, we do have 4-hour RSI looking very constructive. This is pretty much what you want to see. Bitcoin's looking good here. Bitcoin's looking very good, and actually, it's about to push right now. Jesus Christ, come on, Bitcoin, show me your power, baby. Show it to me. With regards to what Bitcoin's doing, we are seeing that next leg just being initiated off of what we've been talking about for the last, week or so, I suppose. Going over here to our BitMexican chart, we do see very obviously and very, very intently that the ascending triangle has been broken to the upside. Our first measured move has been hit. In fact, this was it right here, almost to the T on the actual closures. But let's talk about, is Bitcoin going to take that next leap up towards 10,000? Are we going to see 10,000 today? Is today the day of reckoning? And I do think that it's actually quite likely. In fact, everything that we're looking at right over here is gaining momentum, and we are seeing a very, 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 very nice setup, which I do think gets a little bit more continuation from this region. Making new lows. Oh no, Cardano, say it ain't so. They told me that this one was going to make me rich, and now I'm wrecked. Fuck. There it is. There he is. His name is Lucky. He's quite scared right now. He's he's shaking actually. This one's Nepa. She's a little cutie as well, but a little bit heavy for me. This dog has like a little Winnie the Pooh bear that he fucks basically, and he's fucking it right now. So just just going for it, man. Just going for it. Not bad, Mr. Buterol. Now, my target of about $300 on Mr. Buterol has not been hit just yet, but I would say with the advent of Bitcoin taking a leg up, this is really gonna it's likely gonna fare well for Mr. Buterol as well. But I would say that the next measure move points us towards about 320-ish region, give or take a few bucks. And I do think that it does hit it there. During trending moves, it's okay to stay in the critical zone, and you want to see a signature like this. You actually want to see a signature like that. That's what you should expect from your Stokes. It's actually the weekly RSI that'll be a little bit more critical of. When the weekly RSI gets that high, it's very easy to create some divergence, and the divergence spots for the RSI are a lot more aggressive than the ones for the Stokes. I'm curious, so Elsa, what do your parents think of my hair? It's a rat's nest. On daily, are we going to create some divergence? No, again, we need fucking local highs. We need local highs being confirmed first. Otherwise, you're going to be calling divergence each and every fucking tick up.
Guys, the volume has been low on this whole push up. Do you know what that means? It's also divergence. Volume divergence. Bitcoin's going down. It's volume.
When Bitcoin's rallying, everyone's happy. Everyone's rich again. Fuck yeah. There you go. I know you say wait for confirmation, but how do you avoid these fast $500 to $1,000 moves going against you? Looking, you have to realize when something is going to absolutely rocket. You know, it should be lining up with your other indicators. So when I see multiple things line up against me, I got to get out, you know, at an expedited rate. And typically I will have an area like that. And yes, it does happen. It's not perfect, but it does happen. Going happy mushroom pickings with the in-laws. Luna, I got the peanut butter in my balls once again. Come on, Luna. Bad, really fucking bad. Oh my god, oh Jesus, my eyes have AIDS. And it really only comes down to this, actually. Quite simple once again, as far as the lower timeframes go. As long as Bitcoin maintains above 9,600, I do run with a bullish bias on the lower timeframes. I do think that lower timeframes want to consolidate this area and want to kind of spend some time maybe going sideways here. Higher timeframes still look like continuation to me. 4 hours still continuation. 8 hours still continuation. Daily still continuation as far as I see. It's just the lower timeframes that can actually change that. So if the lower timeframes do see a close below 9,600 on an hourly or anything above an hourly, then I would be looking for Bitcoin to come back down to about 94 to 9,500, and then we probably do, you know, play out a little bit of a top here, and then alts would be a little bit of a good buy. But until that happens, you know, as long as 9,600 is not violated, I am leaning towards more upside, and I do think that we get continuation. Target would still be somewhere right around. I mean, our first target was hit at 97.50, but I do think that next target would be around about 10,000, and we'll reassess from there. So 10,000, also the top of our weekly Challenger bands, and also, you know, a measure move off of this ascending triangle right over here. All of them kind of taking their time. I will de-risk anywhere below 9,600 and then again below 9,400. I'd want to be fully out. So 9,600 and then 9,400, the big areas. As long as we're above there, all is well and good as far as I'm concerned. So with that said, I do want to wish you well. I do want to wish you a happy weekend as well. I'll be doing some video analysis tomorrow and Sunday, but no live stream tonight, unfortunately, as I will be traveling. So again, wishing you well on this lovely Friday, and take care and see you soon.